Dear viewers, welcome once again to Manju's vlog. Today I am going to prepare a quick sandwich and a froth-filled Indian tea. For the sandwich, cut slices of tomato, onions, baby marrow as well as cucumber. Now keep a ribbed iron pan on the burner. Once heated, add olive oil. Once olive oil is heated, add slices of onion as shown now. Keep also baby marrow slices one by one, followed by tomato slices as well as cucumber slices too. Using a pepper mill, add crushed pepper powder on top of the grilled vegetables. Sprinkle little bit of salt on top of all the grilled vegetables. A teaspoon of oregano to be sprinkled over the grilled vegetables during this grilling process. After a minute, using a tongue, turn over the vegetables upside down so that the top end can cook easily now. Add again little bit of salt for the other side as well as a teaspoon of oregano so that the herbs are well mixed with all the sides of the grilled vegetables. If you like little more spicy, as a personal choice, you could add more pepper powder too at this point of time. At this time, the grilled vegetables has got its grilled brownish color, so let us prepare the sandwich. On a slice of brown bread, add butter. On top of it, add slice of grilled onions, tomatoes, a slice of baby marrow as well as cucumber. This process continue to the other slices of bread too. Add a cheese slice on top of the grilled vegetable on each slice of bread. Now take the other bread and keep it on the cheese slice and press it. Remove the sandwich and place it on the same ribbed pan. Just make sure to move it on all sides so that the bread slices will have roasting on all sides. You could see how the bread right now is also toasted on the ribbed pan with the oregano as well as the black pepper which was left over when we had grilled the vegetables. The sandwich is ready. The oregano, the vegetables as well as the cheese is melted. Right now it is a time to serve. So just cut the sandwich from the sides and remove the hard part from the bread. Cut the sandwich in the middle as shown into two, as it will be easy to handle while eating as well as to place in the plate as for the presentation. The grilled vegetables infused with the aromatic flavor of olive oil, pepper, oregano with added salt and melted cheese with the crisp brown bread, one can imagine and only can felt by tasting it. So why waiting? Try it out at home, as it's very simple and easy, can be prepared as quick snack or a breakfast item too. Also, why not a strong froth filled tea which is made out of fresh milk. Take water less than half in a glass and top with fresh milk which is of full cream. Now add this glass of water and milk to the saucepan. Switch on the flame now. Add 1.5 teaspoon of black tea powder to the milk mix. Take a crusher and crush the piece of ginger as well as 2 whole cardamoms and add this to the milk and the tea mixture. Let the milk, tea powder, cardamom and ginger slowly boil it for minimum of 2 to 3 minutes on a low flame. Even though it is boiled, just make sure you stir around and keep it again so that the tea powder is well cooked and the decoction of the tea powder comes out very well, and you can see the strong colors from the tea powder coming and mixing with the milk. Switch off the flame and strain the tea into a vessel with a strainer. Not going to tell anything, only the action will speak and tell the taste and the presentation of the tea. Froth filled Indian tea, also called as kadak chai, with the flavor of cardamom and ginger is ready to savor. Serve this along with the sandwich and I hope everyone will like this. Prepare at home and let me know your comments too. If all of you like this session, please do not hesitate to like, share and subscribe, and also to press the bell icon to receive my new videos once posted on YouTube in the coming days. Thank you once again for watching Manju's vlog.